Alright, so mom said to get a healthy snack. How hard could that be?
Alright, Pantry, what do you got for me? Well, that's a fruit, but how do I know what's in it? There's just all these numbers and words and so many words. It's just carrots. Why? Can somebody help me?
Hey, man, I'm sorry, I couldn't help but overhear. You having some trouble with labels? I'm Mr. Max from GrowingGreat, and we're doing an activity today that's basically all about that if you're interested. Oh man, you are a lifesaver. Is it just right now? I got some time. Should I just follow you? Oh, cool. Well, come on over then, man. I got you. Come on. Hello, everybody, and welcome to our table today. As you can see, we got plenty of groceries for activity today, which is going to be graphing our groceries. I know it can be so intimidating when you're looking at these nutrition labels and you're trying to read them and figure out what's in my food and what's good for me, but today we're going to try and make it really simple for you. So typically, the fewer ingredients that a product has means it's going to be closer to the source. But if it has many ingredients, that makes it a lot more likely that there's going to be chemicals and sugars and other sweeteners added that aren't naturally occurring in our foods that we like to try and do our best to avoid whenever possible, even though they always seem to taste so good. But hey, that's how they get you. I think we should look at just a couple of examples so we know what we're going to be looking for today. And let's start by taking a look at our almond butter. And we can see by the label that it only has just the one ingredient. So that is how we would graph it. And then if we take a look at our beans and then look at the label, we can see that there are 3 ingredients in that one. So that's how we would graph it. So if we know what we're going to be doing today, we know how we're going to be doing it. Let's look at where we're going to be doing it and get over there. You guys ready? I know I am. You ready, man?
Yeah, Mr. Max, I'm ready to give it a try. Let's do it.
Great, let's go. All right, so here's our graph. Here are our groceries we're going to be graphing, and here are the numbers we're going to be counting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, including anything above that as well. And that's going to be the number of ingredients, and that's what we're going to count. So let's see who's first. And we have our almond butter that we talked about. So we know from the label, once again, that is just 1. Next up, we have our Gatorade. Let's look at that label. Ooh, that's a lot of ingredients. So I think that's going in the 6 and above category. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and above. Nice. Next up, our white corn. Let's check out the label. Okay, not too bad. Pretty good actually. Let's have that 3. So we got 1, 2, 3 ingredients in our corn. Next up, oh, I feel a big one. Yep. It's the apple juice. Let's check out that label. Oh, pretty good one. We only have 3 there too. So, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3. And now, our ramen. Okay, let's look at that label. Oh, yeah, that's a lot too. So I think that's gonna be in the 6 and above. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and above.
Oh, man.
Wait, what? Are you okay, man? Is everything all right?
No, it's just I really like ramen a lot, and this means that I can never eat it, right?
I'm actually happy you brought that up, because even though some things that we really like can have 6 or more ingredients, that doesn't mean that you never get to eat them. We have things that should be in our sometimes foods category and our always foods category. Things like our fruits and vegetables should always remain in our always category, but things that we really enjoy but maybe not as good for you as that can be in our sometimes category. It's not to say that you never get to eat them, but the key to nutrition, like with many other things in life, is moderation.
Thank you, that makes sense.
So finishing up strong, we have our chips. Let's take a look at that label. Okay, so that's gonna be 6 and above. Almost home. Oh, we got our tuna. Let's check out that label. And 3, which brings us to our last one, which has to be the apple juice, right? Oh wait, no, that's not apple juice. Those are our refried beans. Simple mistake. Happens all the time. And 3. And there you have it. All of our groceries graphed. All right, well, as you can see, I think that's all groceries graphed, and that'll do it for our activities today. I really hope you guys learned a little bit more about the nutritional labels and how you can read them. And I hope I gave you something else that you can try when you're looking for food around your own house or a supermarket. How about you, buddy? I really hope this helped you feel a little bit better. You doing all right?
Yeah, thanks, man. That was great. Now, excuse me. I'm gonna go read some labels.
Glad to hear. Well, that'll do it for us from Going Great. Thank you, everybody. Bye.